Think you've seen every cool gadget out there? Think again. Today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing new gadgets and inventions that are redefining what smart really means. Whether you're a gadget geek or just love clever innovation, get ready to meet some seriously impressive tech that'll have you saying, I need that. Stick around because number 3 might just blow your mind. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. Plaud Note AI Voice Recorder. The Plaud Note AI Voice Recorder is like having your own personal assistant packed into a pocket-sized powerhouse, sleek, smart, and unbelievably accurate at what it does. After testing it in meetings, lectures, and even phone calls, I was amazed at how effortlessly it handled everything. Its dual-mode recording captures crisp, noise-free audio whether you're speaking across a table or over the phone. The AI transcription feature, powered by GPT-5, Claude 4, and Gemini 2.5 Pro, turns hours of recordings into clean, searchable text in over 112 languages, complete with summaries and to-do lists. The Plaud app takes productivity even further, offering audio trimming, speaker labels, and secure cloud storage with privacy encryption. With 64 gigabytes of memory and up to 30 hours of continuous recording, it's ideal for professionals, students, and creators alike. RingConn Gen 2. Slip advanced health tracking onto your finger with the RingConn Gen 2, the world's first smart ring to monitor sleep apnea without monthly fees. You'll discover how this sleek, ultralight ring goes beyond counting steps by offering accurate heart rate, stress, and sleep insights, all powered by AI. It's built for real life, waterproof up to 100 meters, lasting up to 12 days per charge, and even supporting over-the-air updates for new features. You'll learn how its dedicated app gives you personalized wellness data without subscriptions, making health tracking simple and private, with sizing kits ensuring a perfect fit and HSA, FSA eligibility. You can invest in your well-being confidently. In this video, you'll see how RingConn Gen 2 transforms daily health tracking into a seamless, stylish experience, perfect for anyone serious about sleep, fitness, and smarter living. Ice bathtub with water chillers. Experience ice-cold recovery like a pro with the Audacia Go Ice Bathtub, the 216-gallon powerhouse built for serious athletes and wellness enthusiasts. You'll appreciate how easily it connects to a water chiller, saving you from constantly buying ice while keeping your plunge perfectly chilled. Its reinforced fiberglass and PVC build feel solid and leak-resistant, offering a professional-grade experience right at home. You can fully immerse your body for optimal muscle recovery, faster healing, and boosted energy. Setup takes under 5 minutes with the included air pump, and the insulated lid locks in the chill for hours. From post-workout recovery to daily rejuvenation, this tub transforms your routine into an at-home cryotherapy session, and you'll see why it's worth every plunge after my in-depth testing. DJI Flip RC-N3. Meet your new sky companion, the DJI Flip, a lightweight 4K drone that captures cinematic footage anywhere. No FAA registration required. You'll love how effortlessly it flies, offering up to 31 minutes of airtime and 13 kilometers of smooth video transmission. Its 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4K 60 frames per second HDR video make every scene pop with vibrant clarity, whether you're filming mountain trails or beach sunsets. You can rely on its full propeller guards for safe, confident flying, and palm takeoff for quick launches. Intelligent tracking keeps your subject perfectly centered while you focus on creativity. Through my review, you'll see how this compact, under 249-gram powerhouse delivers professional-grade shots and stress-free flying, perfect for travelers, vloggers, and anyone chasing that perfect aerial moment. Star Projector. Turn your room into a cosmic wonderland with the upgraded Star Projector, a 4K clear galaxy light that transforms any ceiling into a planetarium experience. You'll be amazed by its ultra-sharp lens and 10 realistic planetarium slides, projecting vivid galaxies, planets, and stars with stunning detail. Its 2-in-1 design works beautifully as both a soft night light and an immersive sky display, perfect for relaxation, kids' rooms, or creative inspiration. With 8 dreamy color modes, adjustable brightness, and a 360-degree rotating base, you can control every detail with a simple touch. You can even set timers for sleep-friendly use. After testing it thoroughly, I'll show you how this Star Projector outshines others in clarity, coverage, and mood-setting magic. A must-have for dreamers and stargazers alike. Fanttik B10 Pro Max Electric Air Duster. Blast away dust like a pro with the Fanttik B10 Pro, a compact powerhouse that makes deep cleaning effortless and satisfying. You'll be impressed by its 130,000 RPM brushless motor, offering 6 adjustable speeds and a Mega Boost mode for instant bursts of airflow. From PCs to car interiors, it handles every mess with precision. You can clean for up to 210 minutes per charge, and even use it as a power bank on the go. Its LED display and built-in light make tight corners easy to tackle, while 4 versatile nozzles adapt to every surface. After putting it through real tests, I'll show you how this tiny gadget outperforms canned air and becomes your go-to cleaning tool for every space. Sunbeam Polyester Smart Mattress Pad. Transform your winter nights with the Smart Mattress Pad, a Wi-Fi connected sleep upgrade that brings warmth, comfort, and convenience to your bed. You'll love how easily you can control it using the app, voice commands, or the wired controller, letting you set the perfect temperature without leaving your sheets. With 10 personalized heat settings and a 10-hour auto shutoff, it keeps you cozy and safe all night. Its soft, quilted polyester feels plush and inviting, stretching neatly over mattresses up to 16 inches high. You can toss it in the washer for easy cleaning too. After testing it across cold nights, I'll show you how this smart mattress pad takes sleep comfort to another level, saving energy while keeping you perfectly toasty. Astomi Smart Roller Shades. Turn any room into a smart, serene sanctuary with the Smart Roller Shades. Blackout blinds that blend modern tech with elegant design. You'll appreciate how effortlessly they integrate with Alexa and Google Home, letting you adjust lighting or privacy hands-free. Its triple-layer blackout fabric blocks 99% of sunlight and UV rays, creating a true darkroom effect for better sleep or movie nights. You can rely on the solar-powered motor for up to 8 months per charge, saving both energy and wiring hassle. Operation is whisper quiet, making it ideal for bedrooms and offices alike. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. After testing these shades in different light settings, I'll show you how they elevate comfort, privacy, and style, all while simplifying your daily routine. Portable fan with power bank. Stay cool anywhere with the portable fan with power bank. A versatile gadget that doubles as a fan, charger, and safety tool all in one. You'll be amazed by its 8,000 milliamp hour battery, delivering up to 24 hours of refreshing airflow on a single charge. With 5 adjustable speeds and a directional air outlet, you can fine-tune your breeze from gentle to powerful. It's compact enough to clip on your waist, desk, or shirt, perfect for outdoor adventures or daily commutes. You can even charge your phone through its USB-C and USB-A ports when power runs low. Built tough with a silicone shell and LED SOS light, it's made for travel and emergencies. After testing it outdoors, I'll show how it outperforms ordinary portable fans in every way. LC-dolida sleep headphones. Drift into deep sleep with the LC-dolida sleep headphones, a 3-in-1 Bluetooth sleep mask that blocks light, plays music, and boosts relaxation. You'll enjoy its 3D contoured design that fits comfortably without pressure on your eyes, while the soft memory foam fabric keeps you cool through the night. Its Bluetooth 5.4 connection pairs instantly, letting you stream calming sounds or your favorite playlist from up to 45 feet away. With 8 to 10 hours of battery life, it easily lasts through a full night's rest. You can adjust the speakers to align perfectly with your ears for crystal clear sound. After testing it during flights and naps, I'll show how this mask enhances sleep quality, relieves stress, and outperforms ordinary sleep masks in comfort and sound clarity.